Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So I've tried about 3 times to record today's video, and I tried to stop looking at this number. I know it's only up a few numbers since yesterday, but I'm just completely blown away, and I know that there are so many channels with so many more subscribers, but I don't care. I cannot believe that there are 2,002 people who have subscribed to this channel, and I don't care how long it's taken. I don't care. This is extremely humbling. I think I've said before that I've seen other people go on. I always thought that was an exaggeration. For me, it is not. It is so very, very humbling that people come here, send me text, send me comment questions, and I'm able to answer and help and direct them to videos, and I just absolutely can't believe it. So breaking from the series to just make sure you guys know, as always, how appreciative I am of your time, because you can go anywhere to learn Python and you're spending your very, 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 very valuable time here with me. So I want to say thank you. I also want to remind everybody that the Chapter 1 is out on Patreon, and uploaded the accurate list for all the stock symbols on GitHub. I did an old one. I apologize about that, but it is fixed today. It is there right now. So, and got followers, have some followers on there. That's extremely humbling. Have some clones. That's also very humbling. So just I can't say thank you enough. So if you know anybody who's struggling to learn Python, send them here, because we have a pretty good group, really awesome group of people who are learning new and going from there. So as always, guys, thank you very much. Subscribe, like, notification bell. Don't want you missing anything. Please drop any comments. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.